The International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea, COLREGS, a convention by the International Maritime Organization, establishes rules to ensure safe navigation and prevent collisions at sea. Its main features include general principles, steering and sailing rules, regulations for lights and shapes, sound and light signals, exemptions, and verification of compliance. The rules are designed to apply to all vessels on the high seas and navigable waters, with specific provisions for different types of vessels and situations. There are some exceptions to the rules are provided for specific situations, such as vessels under 12 meters in length. 1. General principles and key rules. Application. The COLREGS apply to all vessels on the high seas and navigable waters. Rule 5. Every vessel shall maintain a proper lookout. Rule 6. Every vessel shall maintain a safe speed. Rule 7. Risk assumptions shall not be made on scanty radar information. Rule 8. A vessel shall, in complying with Rules 8, take action in good time, keeping the other vessel at a safe distance. Parts of COLREGS. Part A, General, contains fundamental rules and definitions. Part B, Steering and Sailing, covers the conduct of vessels in various visibility conditions and situations, including rules for steering, sailing, and avoiding collisions. Part C, Lights and Shapes, details the types of lights and shapes that vessels must display, depending on their type and activity. Part D, Sound and Light Signals, outlines the sound and light signals used to communicate between vessels and warn of danger or other situations. Part E, Exemptions, specifies situations where certain rules may not apply. Annexes. Annex 1, Technical Details of Lights and Shapes, provides specific information on the positioning and technical aspects of lights and shapes, says IMO. Annex 2, Sound Signaling Appliances, details the requirements for sound signaling appliances. Annex 3, Additional Signals for Fishing Vessels when operating in close proximity, addresses specific signaling needs for fishing vessels operating in close proximity to each other. Annex 4, International Distress Signals, specifies the signals used to indicate distress. 3. Steering and Sailing Rules. Steering and Sailing Rules. Rules are provided for vessels in different situations, such as crossing, overtaking, and in restricted visibility. Key aspects of the Steering and Sailing Rules. Part B of COLREGS. Conduct in any condition of visibility. Rules 4 to 10 cover situations where vessels are in sight of each other, including maintaining a proper lookout, using safe speed, and understanding the risk of collision. Conduct in sight of one another. Rules 11 to 18 address situations where vessels can see each other. This includes rules for sailing vessels approaching each other, overtaking, and determining responsibilities in different situations. Conduct in restricted visibility. Rule 19 applies when vessels are not in sight of each other in areas of restricted visibility, requiring vessels to proceed at a safe speed and take appropriate action. Overtaking. The overtaking vessel must keep clear of the vessel being overtaken. Head-on situations. If two vessels are on a collision course, both take action to avoid collision, such as turning to starboard side. Crossing situations. The give-way vessel must keep out of the way of the stand-on vessel. Sailing vessels. Rule 12 provides specific rules for sailing vessels, including who should keep out of the way when approaching each other. For lights and shapes. Lights. Specific lights are required for different types of vessels and situations and activity, such as power-driven vessels, sailing vessels, vessels at anchor, and vessels engaged in specific activities. Shapes. Certain shapes are also required to be displayed during the day to indicate a vessel's type and activity. 5. Sound and light signals. Sound signals. Standardized sound signals are used to indicate maneuvers, danger, and distress situations. COLREGS, International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea, utilize a system of lights to signal a vessel's type, status, and intentions, especially at night and in conditions of restricted visibility. These lights, along with other signals, are crucial for safe navigation and collision avoidance. Light signals. Certain light signals are used to indicate specific situations, such as a vessel navigating in restricted visibility. They are side lights, masthead light, stern light, all-around lights, fishing vessel lights, not under command/restricted maneuverability and lights, and constrained by draft lights. Thank you for watching the video. For more marine topics, please subscribe the channel. Please help us with your valuable feedback to improve the contents.